Zoos have changed. Directions. Read the passage 2 times, then highlight the answers to each question as you find them. I will read the passage out loud to you, and then on your own, please read it to yourself. Zoos when they started. The first zoo was started in 1752. In the beginning, the animals lived in cages that were not comfortable for animals. The focus on the zoo was for people to see different animals from around the world. The animals' comfort was not thought about. They also would capture these animals to put into zoos. They would do things like take the babies from moms in the wild to bring into a zoo. Zoos now. Zoos have changed since the first zoo. The animals now live in areas that are like their home. People try to make the zoo a comfortable place for animals. The zoos are also used to help protect animals that are in the wild. Many injured animals are at a zoo to be taken care of. They use the money from the zoo to help protect the animals that still live in the wild. The zoo is also used to let people know how to protect animals in the wild. Please read the story again on your own.